Harvesting Enorma beans, from pods to seeds for next year's planting.
We're just going to collect some of the Enorma beans. This is how they should look. They should be dry. My granny always kept the seed for next year. And these are the best ever beans. They were like 36 centimeters long. These are the ones. This is not as long as, but look at this one. So I found it a little bit difficult because here it was raining quite a lot. That's why you can see some of them are kind of moldy on the top, because it wouldn't allow drying. But eventually we just came and pulled them out and let them dry in. So this is what I'm going to use next year. And these beans are absolutely delicious. You can buy them in the shops as well. Not sure how many of this, but they are £3 something. But the best thing is when you grow your own seed. And they are very easy to grow. You just put them in the soil and then transfer them. My granny used to do them directly where she is going to grow them. She didn't put them in a small pot first. She put them directly in the ground. But however you do it, it is very easy. Then you put sticks so they can go around, and then you enjoy your harvest. I do prefer them as green beans, but I did leave on purpose this one so I have seed for next year. I just want to share something with you. I do not remember how old I was, but probably 10, 11, could have been even 9. For summer we normally would go to stay with my grandparents, and we had in the village, not in Sofia. So we had 3 months summer holidays, and we were told that it was a time to collect beans, just a normal white beans, from the fields. So anyone was welcome, and if any of the children wanted to go and help, they were welcome too. So I embrace this. The only thing is, you do not harvest beans during the day. It needs to be early in the morning, when the dew is still warm, because if you pull the beans, if you go during the day and pull the beans, it will crack, they'll be dry like that, so you'll lose all the beans. So we had to go at 5 o'clock in the morning. So there was a bus which would go and collect whoever wanted to do it. There were different ladies and any age. So they came and they collected me. We knew the driver of the bus, so he came collect me, and we worked from 5 probably to 9 before the sun started coming up. So it was in a field where you would go and just pull the beans, and this was our job. We had to pull it off the root, and then they were taken by big, they were transferred to a big lorry, so I don't know what else, but we were just pulling it out. And at the end, I knew they were going to pay me. I can't remember how much they paid me, but what I didn't know was that I'll get some beans. So they gave us a big sack of beans. I don't know, 50 kilos, or I really don't know how many kilos, but these beans we've been eating for so long, and it was something unexpected, but it was quite a nice experience. So I received money for my labor, and I received a full sack of dried beans. Look how gorgeous this one's, huh? So as you can see, these beans are not nice. They must have been very wet, and then when I left them to dry, I don't know, something may come up, but I don't want to waste time, so I'm just throwing them. But you can see that this is a nice bean. So I collected all of them, and now I'm choosing which one is good and which one is not. Next year I'm going to plant the beans in probably two stages rather than 3. 2-3 weeks apart, or 4, I'm not sure, I need to research it. So I don't have all of them at the same time. I do like beans. Sometimes it's too much. Yes, I can give away, that's true. But to have it for longer period, it is wise. See if we have them spread out. This is the same as the lettuce. If we plant lettuce every 2 to 3 weeks, we can have lettuce regularly. I failed this year. I had only once, but then I enjoyed them. But definitely next year I'll do this with the beans. this is our last bean. Let's see if it's nice. Yes, it is. So this is what we collected, and I'm quite pleased. The rest is either in the freezer or eaten, but this one will have plenty of beans. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will appreciate to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye. So we decided to transfer them in a smaller pots who had tighter lids, as we're leaving them in the greenhouse and we do not want any moisture. So here they are.